In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Ninjatrader workspace. A workspace in Ninjatrader is your personal trading environment. All of your open charts, drawing tools, indicators, super DOMs, market analyzers, and how they're arranged across your screens. Saving your workspace locks in that layout so the platform can reopen exactly the way you like it the next time you launch. This is especially useful if you use multiple monitors or rely on a consistent setup for your trading routine. Start in the Ninjatrader Control Center, which is the main hub window with the menu bar along the top. Look for the Workspaces menu at the top of the Control Center and click it. This menu is where Ninjatrader keeps a list of your available workspaces, as well as actions you can take on them. Within that Workspaces menu, find the name of the workspace you're currently using. The active workspace is clearly indicated, so you'll know which one is live. Hover your mouse over that active workspace name. When you hover, you'll see options related to that specific workspace. Click Save. That's it. This command updates the current workspace with the exact windows, positions, and settings you're using right now. All your open charts, the intervals and instruments they're set to, which indicators are applied, any linked windows, and where everything sits on your screen, even if items are undocked, are written into that workspace. The next time you open Ninjatrader and load this workspace, everything should reappear in the same place, ready for you to trade. A quick tip before you save. It's worth taking a moment to glance over your layout. If you've temporarily moved a window or expanded a panel for a quick check, put it back where you prefer it long-term, then save. That way, you capture your true working layout and not a one-off change. If you do save and later notice something isn't quite right, just make the adjustment and click Save again. You're simply updating the same workspace, not creating a new one. Saving your workspace does not change your market data or account information. It only preserves your visual and functional layout. It's a lightweight, safe action you can do as often as you like, and it helps keep your platform consistent from session to session. To recap, open the Workspaces menu in the Control Center, hover over the workspace you're using, and click Save. With that, your current layout is preserved and ready for your next trading day.